Hello everyone. We are at 13th Die and Mould exhibition happening in Bombay, and I have landed up at the stall of Ahire Machine Tools (AMT), a well-known brand for the work holding, a proudly make in India brand, I would say. With us is Mr. Chetan Sawant, the CEO of the company,
Yeah.
and would like to discuss about the product ranges you have for the die and mold sector, especially which you're demonstrating here. So you can get us through what all you have demonstrated.
See, when we speak of die and mold industry, it's majorly metal cutting which is in mind because a mold is perfect only when the cutting is perfect. This is what we say. So the products that you see over here majorly are in such a fashion that they actually help you to cut the material to its own precision, and the product that you get is the finest quality. So basically, the finer the mold, finer would be the end product. So this is what we see. So the products that you see at display are majorly the 5-axis machining vices that we have right now, which is very critical and very important for the new age machinery tool users and the new kind of machine that you have. So it is the criticality lies into how much you can clamp, how fast you can clamp, and what kind of flexibility you can get through this cutting, and what kind of depth of cuts we can take when you clamp it that rigid. So the vices that you see will help the manufacturer realize the potential of the machine to its fullest. The products that you see over here are majorly for HMC machining, for horizontal machining. Again, same principle lies here. The vices that you saw earlier can be clamped into the horizontal fashion, any fashion. So basically, we can make non-standard tombstones like this, where you can clamp either the vices, zero-point clamping systems, or you can have your own fixing system on this. Then we have a very simple product range. The latest addition to our factory or the product range, what we say is the low profile wedge clamps. So this allows a customer to modularize, be flexible into his clamping solution, and he can design his own clamping projects whenever it is required. He can dismantle or make them as and when he requires. And majorly when you are speaking of smaller components, and very fast clamping is required, where the customer doesn't want to spend a lot in investing into a fixturing solution or a very rigid clamping solution. So these are the products which facilitates them to do so. And we are very happy to say that we have started exporting this to Europe and USA, and we are doing very good in the Indian market also. So that's a big project that we have. The product that you see over here is the smallest vice that we have, 5-axis vice that we have in our portfolio. So you can see that it can be clamped in an angular fashion or into a 5-axis fixture. So you can realize the entire potential of the machine, and that it also allows clamping of multiple components at the same time on the same machine. So this is what a customer can expect. So with all the products that you see right now, we try to be flexible not only with what we offer to our customers, but then again we also try to understand the problem statement first, and then we will select a product or design a product as per their requirement. So basically what we try to do is we try to handle the problem statement and not a product that we are trying to sell to the customer. So it's a problem statement that we're trying to provide a solution for, and that is what we work on. So that's the reason why most of the customers end up being very happy working with us, and we also feel very proud when we say that we can actually give them a solution which not only works, but then again, they are also satisfied with what solution they are getting.
Absolutely. So, like I said in the beginning, also, you are the proudly Make in India company. You know, you have a manufacturing setup in Nashik. How do you see the future of Indian manufacturing in the upcoming years? Also, the die and mold sector in the upcoming few years, talking about the advancements that could be imbibed into the industry.
Automation is what I see happening more and more. The machines that you see now, the kind of feature list that they come with, it's all leading us to go manless machining. The idea is that we adopt these technologies as fast as we can. And right now I feel the Indian market is ready to adopt this kind of technologies. And being an Indian manufacturer, I know that sometimes it is difficult to accept this technology, but then again, also being an Indian manufacturer, I feel that we are more open to understand, develop, redevelop, reinvest, rethink on this kind of technologies. And then again, the kind of machine tool builders that you see over here and what kind of machines they were building 5 years back, now what they're offering, there's a huge difference into the type of machines they are offering. And I feel that newer players are coming using into the Indian market. So it itself is a testament of what kind of market India is and what kind of potential Indian market has. And I feel that more and more companies from West will start investing into either smaller SME sectors in India or maybe set up their own shops in India, take advantage of this scenario.
Thank you so much for giving us this insights, and it was wonderful to explore the product ranges you have at your stall for Die and Mold. We wish you the best for the upcoming years and futures. We also got to know about your, partnership with Allmatic.
Yeah.
We've discussed that. So stay tuned, everyone, for getting more information about all those things.